Welcome to JTMS Timesheet Software. In this video, we'll see how planned input works inside My Planner and how you can easily enter your timesheet using the planning already done for you. At the top of the screen, you'll see the date. If you want to enter time for a different day, simply click on the date picker and select the required date. As soon as you change the date, the planner updates automatically for that day. Next to the date, you'll notice Day Total. This shows the total number of hours you have entered for the selected date. As you keep adding hours, this total updates instantly, so you always know whether your day is complete or not. Now let's understand the planner rows. Planned input is mainly for users whose work planning is already done by the admin, HOD or approver. That means your project, task and planned hours are already assigned in advance. Each row represents one planned task for the day. You can see the project name first, then the task or activity you are supposed to work on. Next, you'll see the approver, which tells you who will approve this entry after submission. Now look at hours spent. This shows the total hours already spent on that task so far. Then you have planned hours. These are the hours planned for you for that particular day. Finally, you'll see the hours column. This is where you enter the actual hours you worked today. For example, if 3 hours are planned and you worked for 2 hours, just enter 2 hours here. If you worked more than planned, you can enter the actual time without any problem. The status will show as planned until you submit the entry for approval. Now, what if you worked on something that was not planned? That's completely fine. Sometimes urgent work comes up or you help on a different task. For that, click on Add New Row. In the new row, select the project, select the task or activity and enter the hours you worked. This is how you record unplanned work correctly. Just one important thing to remember. Always select both project and activity before entering hours. This keeps your dashboard, reports and approvals accurate. Once you've entered all your hours, check the day total one last time. If everything looks correct, click Submit for approval. And that's it. Planned input helps you convert your daily planning into a proper timesheet, quickly, accurately, and without last-minute confusion. Because honestly, filling timesheets is easy. Remembering what you worked on after 3 days is the hard part. You are now ready to use planned input in JTMS.